Well, I would suggest that, if you want to educate, you definitely have to get educated first. And I think that is something that's missing in some of the education that we have today. And it's nothing wrong with showing someone something that you do well. But I think what's missing is the technical side of everything. That there's a technical side to everything we do, whether it's styling, cutting, coloring. So I think that we should learn the technical. And I say that because our industry seems to be changing, going down a different path. And education, formulas and principles are behind everything that we do. And I think we're losing that because of some social media is good in some aspects and some aspects is not. But there's a cause and effect for everything that we do. And I believe that everything should have the technical side to it first, and then you show the creative side. So to me, merging the technical and the creative makes you a much better educator because you have a foundation to build on instead of just saying, I curl the hair this way and I curl the hair that way, instead of saying it's on base, off base, or half base to make it full, to make it down. So not just in cutting, not just in coloring, but also in styling. There's a cause and effect for everything that we do. And I think that we need to get back to the textbook. So if there's something that you want to teach that you do, go back to your cosmetology book or go to some classes and learn. You can have your own system, which is what I'll be teaching, is using a systematic approach. Even if you create your own system, create it based on the principles and the foundation of whatever it is that you do. So that's the best advice I can give, is building on a solid foundation, and not just because you can do waves well and you don't teach the technical part, or because you can do color well and you don't know color formulas, you don't know the color wheel.
Right.
We gotta start getting back to that, because this industry is dying. They want to deregulate the industry because they think we're just doing hair, and they actually don't know that cosmetology book.